Allchinabuy Haul 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you my latest Allchinabuy haul for 2025 and what to expect when shopping on this platform. First, Allchinabuy is a popular online wholesale marketplace offering a variety of products at competitive prices. For this haul, I ordered electronics, fashion items, and home accessories. The website's user interface is easy to navigate with clear product categories and search filters. However, when shopping with Allchinabuy, you actually have to go through AC buy sheets first. This is like a full catalog of all the items that you can buy on Allchinabuy. Now, once you place your order, you'll receive a confirmation email with tracking details. Shipping times vary depending on your location, but typically range from 10 to 25 days. In my case, the items arrived within 2 weeks, which was faster than expected. The packaging was secure, minimizing damage during transit. Each product matched the description of the site, and the quality was consistent with the expectations for wholesale purchases. When unboxing, check each item thoroughly for defects or missing parts. If you encounter any issues, Allchinabuy's customer support is available via chat or email to assist with returns or refunds. Shopping on Allchinabuy can save you money if you're buying in bulk or sourcing products for resale. Be sure to review seller ratings and product reviews to make informed decisions. And that's my Allchinabuy haul for 2025.